Definitely a quad bypass.
This would definitely be a bad decision.
I think so, especially with a daily driver. All right, folks, so here we are. We're just on the side of the FTR right now. That's going to be the direction we need to go. It doesn't look like anybody's been on it, like at all. So I'm going to quickly go down there and do a scout, see what it looks like. Jay's only running some old, tired all-terrains. They got quite a bit of tread left, but they're BFGs. So.
Slicks in the mud.
Slicks in the mud.
You want to take this little shortcut trail, but the road is actually up here.
Yeah, I'd like to at least see where.
I don't give a fuck.
I mean, I don't think the snow will be too bad, but it's gonna be slick and salty and
Well, I got it.
and fun.
Deflate.
Might not have to. The snow's a little deep, Jay. It is. A little deep. A little stuck. Frontier is actually needing a little bit more ground clearance even. Man, it smells great out here. Oh, springtime in the Rockies. There's nothing better. Yeah, what do you think?
I'll give it a trot.
Okay, let's see if Rick can give me a tug out. I'm gonna drop my tire pressures. Wave that wheel back and forth as much as you can. All the way forward, all the way one way, all the way the other way. Yeah. All the way to the right. Yep. 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 Oh, easy, easy, easy. Yep. There you go. There you go. There you go. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black. Well, how often does this happen, eh? A Nissan Frontier breaking trail for two. Sing for my soul. All right, guys, we almost made it to the edge, but now we're in this. So this is very soft mud, and that's where the guys in the truck are. I mean, I want to hit it because I make bad life choices, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, bad ideas do make good stories, but
this would definitely be a bad decision.
I think so, especially with a daily driver. That happens sometimes. Sometimes you take a shortcut and it turns into not being a shortcut. So
it was not a shortcut.
It was not a shortcut. We have no choice. We're gonna have to turn around. We can't We just don't have the clearance to take the embankment. It goes like straight down and then straight up. So our bumpers, as soon as it gets down there, they would just plant. So we're going to turn the rigs around. We're going to go back the way we came, connect back onto the FTR, and go find our campsite. So every time we go out, like in my head, there's a list of gear that I want, but I don't know if I can justify having it yet. Right? So it seems like though every time we go out, I find a reason why I wanted that gear in the first place, which then allows me to start saving for it, right? Going out and buying gear that's, one, extremely expensive when you don't know if you need it is ill-advised, because it's like, this is an expensive hobby.
Absolutely.
Right? So now that I know having a 33-inch full-size spare up underneath where the normal stock spare usually sits, now that I know that that's going to drag ass as much as it is in deep snow, if we were in deep mud, it'd be even more of an anchor. So I need to move that tire out from underneath behind the truck.
Your Toyos are doing a great job.
My Toyo, okay, Toyo tires.
With those Toyos.
The truck's working. It's not getting through it really easy, but they're doing their job. And this is exactly why I bought them, for this kind of stuff. So super
they're
stoked.
doing a great job.
Yeah, great tires.
Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole. To make myself whole again.
Ever had a dog sit on
I need some beads. Oh, yeah, some. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah.
So I was telling Terry, he's like, oh, we gotta get a Kelpie after.
They're good dogs, man.
Because
We're losing daylight pretty quick here. The sun's starting to go behind the mountains. So we're going to use the light that we have left to get some things ready for dinner. We're going to feast like kings tonight. So we're going to cook a steak. We're going to have some camp onion and some bacon wrapped jalapenos. First off, get a couple of cloves of garlic. You need to take some butter. And you're going to fold it up like that. And then you're going to probably quadruple or triple layer that camp onion. Oh, come look at this, guys. Get in there, Jay. Look at that. Oh my jeebus. Bit of aioli and some botanical whiskey.
Ooh, yum.
Bougie. Cut the steak up, shall we?
Oh.
I wish you guys had some of your steak left, because that aioli is so good. Oh my God. Woo! All right, guys, I'm gonna go and eat this. All right, that's my cooking video. Hope you liked it. All right, guys, our camp onion is complete. And just if you've never made camp onion, this is a really good way to test if it's done. So what you're gonna want to do is just grab the onion and open it up. Man, my headlamp is giving me some grief here. Grab your onion and open it up, and then just give it a squeeze. And if the centers pop out like that, that's gonna tell you that your camp onion is done. So we're gonna pass this around the campfire now because it's a nice little treat.
You're gonna do the thing? Get my feet out of it. I needed this. Me too.
Peace. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Bees. Hi.
Olive oil and mayonnaise. Oh man, that's gonna be it for us today. Absolutely beautiful spot here. If you guys get a chance, make sure you guys check out the north section of the Forestry Trunk Road and take all of the neat little roads and cutout roads that you can explore down here. We're gonna start packing up camp, and then we're gonna head out for the day and get back to work on Monday. So later.